Stranded 360 here, checking out a microphone called the RE20 by Electrovoice, who is owned by Bosch. This is a dynamic microphone, often used for broadcasting, but people also use it for voiceovers, and that's what it looks like right there. Down here you've got your switch, which is a mid-bass tone switch. Basically a high pass filter. It'll cut off some of the low frequency if you turn that on, and depending on your voice you may or may not want to switch that on. It's also got variable D technology, or variable D vents as it says, which is good for off-axis recording. So if you're doing a recording and you're a little off kilter, it'll still pick you up very well, so that's good to have. The features are that it says it has humbucking coil guards against line hum. It's got a mid-bass tone shaping switch, substantial integrated pop filter, smooth, natural, and controlled sonic character, the classic sound of FM radio voices. My battery is blinking, so I'm going to try and get it out as fast as I can. I'm going to go ahead and pop this open over here, and we're going to do that, and then flip it around. Gotta untape it. I got a knife here that'll work. That's not gonna work. We'll get out the crazy knife and use that one. Alright, I think we got it. Nope, missed the spot, but we got it. Alright, so you open it up, it's in this little case. Packaging, Bosch, a little adapter. Open this up. And we have our microphone. Bought this one on eBay. It's not brand new, but it was sealed in the packaging, so might as well be new. Pretty hefty microphone. This is all metal body. Look at the top. This is the look of the microphone. There's your switch. So the switch is pretty not sure if you can hear it. There's a pretty light click as you engage it. So yeah, that's the Electrovoice RE20, a microphone I do recommend. Many say it's better than the SM7B. It's a little bit more expensive generally. You're not going to find as many used cheap versions of this, but if you get a chance to pick this up, definitely pick it up. I'll put a link in the description if you want to use a link on there, and maybe Amazon will send me some shekels. But otherwise, this has been the RE20. This is the case that it comes in. Pretty nice little case for transport if you're moving on the road and you gotta carry your microphone with you. This is RE20, Stranded 360 out.